Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. I am doing my delivery of this beautiful 2002 Thunderbird, which is coated head to toe in TMR by Dallas Paint Correction. It's a 10-year ceramic titanium coating. Just went over all the wash methods, how to detail a washing machine, wash mitts, towels, all that, what kind of soap to use on a ceramic coated vehicle. Look at the shine on this car. It is absolutely amazing. And you also can have your car ceramic coated. I did the glass, I did the wheels, I did the inside of the fender lips. You can get all that done and have an amazing, long-lasting, hydrophobic, chemically resistant, and beautiful glossy car for 10 years. Contact me. Thank you.